Hi, welcome to Insight Club. In this video, we're discussing question about 1 to 6. Before starting this, I want to share something. Insight Club provides all PDF and the handwritten assignments. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is 900-938-6823. You can save this number for future purpose also. Here now, we are discussing here the subject name is economics, and here are the total number of questions in this paper is total 6 questions, and 1 2 3 all are about 40 to 60 words and you have to write in the, and the chapters also given in the question which belongs they are. And question number 3 sorry, question number 4, question number 5, uh, you have to write in the 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 is and you have to write in the 500 words. That you can see, each and every question has an option, so you have to write only one question, one answer each. So if you actually, we have prepared all the answers accordingly. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.